Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can manage the acoustic signals in settings menu of Siemens Induction Hob. So let's turn on your device and within 10 seconds hold the key lock for 4 seconds. Now click on the key lock again and again. There we have an option C2. This is an acoustic signal. 0 means the information that the confirmation signal and default information signal are turned off. 1 means that only default information signal is turned on. Number 2, it's only the confirmation signal is on. 3, all the acoustic signal is on. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.